Yeah. You guys look over here.
Look at me.
Ăn buông lên một tỏi, tỏi yêu ta chung nhân một tỏi. In hoa nó chàng rồi một tỏi, cháu thêm quả giáo xin quá, giáo chàng rồi mà cái nữa, coi nó chinh nhìn cái miếng to chinh nhìn là bún nung, chinh nhìn mà cả.
Multiple components to this gift.
Okay, then take a tissue paper. That's what I'm saying.
I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out.
Oh, there's a card right here.
Is it in there?
Yeah.
Who's that from?
Mà cả nó coi nó chinh nhìn nè.
Let's see who it's from.
Thành một cái giáo xin rồi một tỏi.
Iu-Mienh and David.
Iu-Mienh and David.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll read the card later though.
Thì nó chơi cho nó màng nè.
Personal. And
It's long.
timeless.
It's long.
Sweet.
Here, ready?
Okay, activate.
Chơi mà nó coi.
Book.
Oh.
I actually love getting
Classico.
Okay.
It's exciting.
Okay, you ready?
Second one.
Get ready to next one.
Whoa.
Whoa.
What is it? That's so fun.
Oh, it's fish. We got fish.
Matches your shirt.
Matches. Old man.
It does match your shirt.
Matches old man. See that?
That's cute.
Alright, okay. Get ready for round two.
Oh.
Dinos.
I really love my family. It's cute. Dinos.
Nè, phỏ mà to nè.
Adorable.
From Iu-Mienh.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You need a carrier for carrying the fish back.
This one's from Nayo and Phil.
Nayo and family.
Yeah. Close.
Diaper caddy.
Diaper caddy.
Yeah.
Useful. Okay. Well, this-
You're gonna need that.
I definitely
That.
love this. I love that everyone got me this book.
Which one is
See
it?
and learn animal.
I love
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that another classic?
We actually really like books.
I love getting books.
Oh, look at that.
Has a library.
Little peanut. Wait, what's that?
Hell yeah.
Oh, they're like just little
Stars.
happy.
Happy
Big smile.
smile.
Oh wait.
Flip it flat. In a
In a
world.
world where you can be anything, be kind.
Wow.
I mean, that's
Very sweet. Very sweet. Okay.
Okay, next one.
Alright, Usher.
Usher us.
What's the usher? Yeah.
You open this one.
Usher. Alright, this
See who
is.
it's from.
Baby boy.
Oh, great. Okay, this one is from someone.
Oh my gosh.
Jaimo! Whoa! Jaimo!
Hi,
Somebody go grab
I
Jaimo.
grabbed it. I grabbed it.
It's from Jamie B.
Oh, yeah.
What's in there?
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Pow!
Ciao.
Whoa, there's a whale!
Are there
Look
whales?
at the whale!
It's a shark.
It's a shark, actually.
There's a shark and Molly.
So cute.
Oh.
Uncle Cow and not Molly.
The chair's moving. The chair's
moonwalking.
The chair slided. Huh? The wind was so strong.
Wow!
That's cool.
Wait,
What's
there's
on this? Oh, it's little
lobsters.
lobsters.
Whoa!
That's
Little lobsters on there.
That's very cute. Okay.
You ready?
This is 18 months. Okay.
Skadoosh!
Oh, crap.
Full crab! Full beach!
That's such a cute color, too.
I really like the color.
Yeah, I actually really like this color.
Why is it all like ocean deep?
I don't
They
know.
know.
Cow likes fishing.
They know.
He does? Yeah, he loves fishing.
It's because it's from your side of the family and Cal loves fishing.
Ready?
Cute.
Adorable. Someone's alarm is
Right.
Mom, is that your alarm one?
Wow.
Mini alarm.
Yeah, I have a like.
Kayla, love that.
Is it a surprise to Kayla too?
Hey.
Little sock.
Hey.
Cute. Also ocean beards.
What is this? Is like the,
What is over
Camel.
all fish?
Camel with fish. Military and fish.
This is the
These are bibs.
Bibs?
No,
I thought you were in the Air
Yeah.
Force, not the Navy.
No, it wasn't.
Oh
It's
yeah.
all Caleb.
Water.
Was
Maybe
it?
fit my
These are
fingers in
freaking cute.
It wasn't me.
These are cute.
there.
This one's a doggy.
The doggy.
Oh, doggy.
Caleb
That's later.
knew all about it.
That's cute.
Caleb knew all about it.
I don't.
Yeah, you do.
I don't.
Whoa, that's a friend.
Another
That's a friend.
Dude, he has another friend.
I think I remember him carrying an Old Navy bag when he came.
Okay, here we go. Skadoosh.
Yeah.
Oh, these are
Bibs.
cute. There's a sloth. Oh my gosh.
That would be a really good gift.
Yeah, that's useful.
Dang, Chia,
That's
that's
gonna be
nice.
downstairs all the time.
No.
Yeah.
All right.
Or
Mr.
upstairs in
Usher.
the loft even. It's portable. You can carry it up and down.
No, that's nice.
He's having trouble.
It's open and then yeah.
It's just.
The box.
Oh,
Box in the box.
It's This is one of those box in a box in a
Box in a box.
Usher.
It's another
Here
box.
we go.
And it's a final box will have one diaper.
Ah, this is nice.
Hey.
Good. This is good. For bath time. Okay.
That's wild.
How do we know who got this?
That's a lot of
I'm gonna say May.
Baby bath?
Did I get it right? No.
From the wrapping, what do you think?
Who wrapped that box? Chua. No,
Yeah,
I
how'd
don't
you
know.
know?
Elizabeth Lowe.
It's me.
It's
Chua. Hey, why'd you make it seem like I was wrong?
This is cool. Thank you. Chua. Damn.
Wow.
Heavy.
It's
Ooh,
heavy.
we need assistance.
It's heavy. Oh no.
Wait,
Let them know.
Mom, Dad, me, and Lo.
And
Okay.
Elizabeth. And Elizabeth.
Okay.
And Jua.
Chua too.
Ready?
Open it.
Whoa.
Open it.
Wow. 3-1.
Wow. Transformer
Wow.
scroll.
Travel system trio. Wow.
Whoa.
I'm so happy that it's
No wonder he's strong.
Yeah, this is heavy.
Okay.
But
Usher.
pick it up so you can take a picture
Usher.
of the picture properly.
Get up.
Wow.
Wow.
So good. Thank you.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
Usher Transformer.
Wow. I honestly haven't looked into any of the brands for strollers yet.
Look at this thing. It's got a hoodie.
It's cute though.
Into a full hoodie.
Okay, let's take a group photo.
There's this.
Chàng lo mình một tòa tu bún áo nhung đó.
There's one for my dad.
Anh ngoài này.
Wait, sneak peek though. We already looked at it. Oh, look how
Jewelry.
Yeah, I'll show you guys. This is
Nó
from India.
chặt chỉnh cha nha.
It's the baby ice.
It's like a little baby plate with Mickey on it.
Ok.
And it comes with a little spoon and a bowl and a little tiny
So you're
cup.
saying your baby's gonna be born with a silver spoon in his mouth?
Mickey in his mouth,
And then
man.
Ok, mình một tòa này bữa coi này bữa chỉnh tu bún áo nó thì phải cái giả xin đó. Baby shower như chỉnh bún áo nó một tòa.
There's like a.
Không tên á. Ok. Đang chỉnh kun bữa
There's a.
mà cái miệng rồi một tòa. Đang chỉnh rồi. Bữa mà mình tao xin tao vào sang bên ở nhà mất chém này. Quang bữa chỉnh nó kêu một tòa.
Yeah.
Quang bữa dần kiểu nào đó bên ở nhà chú.